Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we will look at using Hāpara Workspace for professional learning and development. You can add educators to Hāpara Workspace groups so that they can interact with Workspace as a learner. This is an easy way to deliver professional development to educators in your school or district. You simply do this by going to Students and Groups. I'm going to add 3 teachers to our Hāpara Professional Development Workspace. When educators go to access their professional learning workspace you've created, they click on the Professional Learning tab in Workspace. One of the benefits of delivering professional learning through Workspace, it's a great way for them to get more comfortable with Workspace and to use it more effectively when delivering instruction. Opening an empty workspace can sometimes seem daunting when you have professional development to prepare. Here is a link to our Hāpara Professional Development Workspace where you can view, copy, and add your educators as learners. We have workspace template examples to share created by Buffalo Trail Public Schools. You can make a copy of these templates to create a professional development workspace for your school or district. Let's go to the Discover section of Hāpara Workspace, where you can find all of the publicly shared workspaces created by Hāpara educators worldwide. With the Discover tab, you can search all of the free and publicly shared content by keyword, subject, grade, and standard. We will search for templates and make a copy of some pre-created professional development workspaces. Once you have made a copy of these workspace templates, they will show up under the My Workspaces tab in the Owned by Me section. These templates are now yours to modify in any way that you need. Let's have a look at some of the templates. You are now ready to customize your templates to start preparing for professional development. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching.